Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Apple Intelligence features so Siri can act with context. First, update to iOS 18 or later and confirm your device backup. This prevents data loss during setup. Next, open Settings and turn on Siri, Siri Suggestions, and Apple Intelligence. Make sure to accept prompts for personalized results. Once done, grant microphone, location, and relevant app permissions so Siri accesses calendars, messages, and apps. These initial steps let Siri use private on-device models and cloud features to assist accurately. Now configure how Siri thinks and acts by customizing voice, language, and response style so replies match your preference. Open shortcuts and build routines that combine Apple Intelligence actions with app tasks. For example, a commute shortcut that reads messages, adjusts navigation, and suggests calendar changes. Once established, map those to wake phrases or home screen widgets. Also, make sure focus modes and calendar access reflect when Siri should be proactive versus silent. These contexts shape suggestions and prevent unwanted interruptions. Finish by actively using Siri with Apple Intelligence in real tasks. Ask for meeting summaries, draft emails, or get context-aware replies during calls. As you interact, refine outcomes by editing suggestions and giving feedback so the system learns your style and priorities. If Siri misinterprets context, try retraining by reissuing a command clearly, then adjust permissions or shortcuts. If problems continue, reset Siri settings or toggle Apple Intelligence off and on. This often clears cached models and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.